What if you could put ChatGPT or AI in your car? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the OTTOCAST wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. This little device has the power to enhance your CarPlay experience and put ChatGPT into your vehicle. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. This is the OTTOCAST Mini Nova. This is wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter right here. Packaging looks really nice. Everything you need right there. Let's open it up. One thing I want to point out in the box right here is scan for 1 minute video guide. A little QR code right there to help guide you through the setup. And their user manual right here, and as you see, it's a little in-depth and it includes multiple different languages. And this is going to help you get the most out of your Mini Nova right here, but also how to get the most fun out of it. So important. We have a contact card right here, so if you do have any issues, you can contact them directly. We got the DIY right here as well. Very, very cool. We have a USB-A to USB-C adapter right here, so just in case your car takes USB-C, you'll be able to use it. And finally, the Mini Nova. Look at this thing. This is like a metal casing right here. Very, very nice. It's got the logo on it. So simple. To have such power in the palm of your hand is just crazy. This completely transforms your vehicle. So let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the OTTOCAST Mini Nova wireless CarPlay adapter. Finally, no more cables. Still plugging in every time you drive? Well, this OTTOCAST Mini Nova adapter, you don't have to. Start your car and everything just connects. Clean, simple, and the way it should have always been. 2 devices, 0 friction. iPhone or Android, no problem. This 2-in-1 adapter works with both. iPhone uses wireless CarPlay and Android uses wireless Android Auto. So no switching cables, no unplugging, just get in and go. Auto reconnect, that just works. No tapping, no waiting, no why isn't it connecting? This Auto Reconnect OTTOCAST Mini adapter remembers your last device and reconnects it in seconds, like it actually understands your routine. And it's tiny enough to just disappear. At 0.83 inches by 0.35 inches, this OTTOCAST Mini wireless adapter is easy to forget in a good way. No bulky box, no dangling cables, so your dashboard stays clean and uncluttered. Smooth, stable, no drama. Powered by the A7S and the Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 5, this OTTOCAST wireless CarPlay dongle keeps everything running smoothly. Maps stay responsive, music doesn't cut out, calls stay clear, even on longer drives. Now smarter with AI voice assistants, everything you already use still works. Steering wheel, touchscreen, knobs, but now you also get Siri and Google Assistant hands-free control, plus access to AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Ask, navigate, reply, plan, your car just got a serious brain upgrade. And it works with most cars, so if your car already has a wired CarPlay or Android Auto, you're good to go. This supports Volkswagen, Mercedes, Audi, Opel, Fiat, and more. And keep in mind it's not for BMWs or Teslas. Plus a 24-month warranty and 24/7 support, just in case. Looks like OTTOCAST thought of everything to make your life a lot easier, so we gotta say, wow guys, great job. This is our first time working with OTTOCAST, so I gotta say this little thing is so powerful. The fact that it has a super fast processor and updated Bluetooth features is just it's so nice. Being able to simultaneously connect Android and iPhone to this device just makes your life so much easier. So we want to give a huge shout out to OTTOCAST for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!